Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss the next very important topic from the chapter Chemical Bonding and Molecular Structure, hydrogen bonding. When hydrogen atom is bonded to the more electronegative atoms like fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen, etc. The more electronegative atom acquires slight negative charge and hydrogen atom acquires a slight positive charge. For example, in the case of hydrogen fluoride, the hydrogen is bonded to the more electronegative atom fluorine. Yes, we know the more electronegative fluorine attracts this bond pair of electron towards its side. The electron density around fluorine atom increases, it attains a slight negative charge, and the less electronegative atom attains a slight positive charge. So, yes, the molecule becomes polar and a weak force of attraction operates between the electronegative atom here, the fluorine atom, and hydrogen atom. Yes, here a weak force of attraction arises between the electronegative atom of one molecule. Here the electronegative atom is fluorine. The electronegative atom of one molecule, one hydrogen fluoride molecule, and hydrogen atom of another molecule, the hydrogen atom of another HF molecule. Okay, അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ഒരു ഹൈഡ്രജൻ ഫ്ലൂറൈഡിലെ മോർ ഇലക്ട്രോനെഗറ്റീവ് ആറ്റം അതിന്റെ ചാർജ് നമുക്ക് ഡെൽറ്റ മൈനസ്. ഓക്കെ, ആ ആറ്റവും വേറൊരു ഹൈഡ്രജൻ ഫ്ലൂറൈഡ് മോളിക്യൂളിലെ പോസിറ്റീവ് ചാർജുള്ള ആറ്റമായ ഹൈഡ്രജനും തമ്മിൽ അട്രാക്റ്റീവ് ഫോഴ്സ് ഉണ്ടാവുന്നു. ഓക്കെ, ഈ അട്രാക്റ്റീവ് ഫോഴ്സിനെ നമുക്ക് ഡോട്ടഡ് ലൈൻ കൊണ്ട് റെപ്രസെന്റ് ചെയ്യാം. This attractive force is called the hydrogen bond. Okay? Yes, this force of attraction is called the hydrogen bond. Thus, hydrogen bond is the force of attraction between covalently bonded hydrogen atom of one molecule and electronegative atom such as fluorine, oxygen or nitrogen. Okay, and the hydrogen bond is represented by dotted line. Yes. Then the types of hydrogen bonding. Okay, generally the hydrogen bonds are classified as intermolecular and intramolecular. The first one is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay. Inter means what? Inter means between two. Intra means within. Yes. Then we can say that intermolecular hydrogen bond is formed between two different molecules. Okay, between two molecules. Okay, this intermolecular hydrogen bond occurs when the hydrogen atom and the electronegative atom belong to different molecule. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്റർമോളിക്കുലർ ഹൈഡ്രജൻ ബോണ്ട് ഫോം ചെയ്യുന്ന കണ്ടീഷൻ എന്താ? ഹൈഡ്രജൻ ആറ്റവും മോർ ഇലക്ട്രോനെഗറ്റീവ് ആറ്റവും ഡിഫറെന്റ് മോളിക്യൂൾസിൽ ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കണം. എന്നാൽ മാത്രമേ ഈ ഇന്റർമോളിക്കുലർ ഹൈഡ്രജൻ ബോണ്ട് ഫോം ചെയ്യും. then it is formed between two molecules of same or different substances. Okay, anyway, the hydrogen fluoride, we know the hydrogen fluoride molecules are associated by intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Then next example, water. In water we know the central atom is oxygen. This oxygen is more electronegative than hydrogen. Yes, this oxygen is more electronegative than hydrogen. Then the oxygen attains slight negative charge delta minus, hydrogen attains slight positive charge delta plus. Water is a polar molecule. Yes, then here some electrostatic force operates between, okay, some weak force operates between the oxygen atom of one water molecule and hydrogen atom of another water molecule, like this. Okay, then here the hydrogen bond is formed between two different water molecule. Okay, then yes, in water molecule we can observe intermolecular hydrogen bonding, and the next type of hydrogen bonding is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular hydrogen bond is formed within a molecule. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding occurs when hydrogen atom and more electronegative atom, when hydrogen atom and electronegative atom exist in the same molecule. Okay, the best example for intramolecular hydrogen bonding is an aromatic compound, an organic compound, okay, orthonitrophenol. Okay, its name is orthonitrophenol. Orthonitrophenol. Yes. Then here hydrogen bond is formed between hydrogen atom of OH group and oxygen atom of this nitro group. N double bond or single bond or NO2 group is called a nitro group. OH group is called hydroxy group. Here the hydrogen bond is formed between hydrogen atom of OH group and oxygen atom of NO2 group. Okay? Yes. Then here we can observe intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Here the hydrogen bonding is formed within orthonitrophenol molecule. Okay, students, in my next video I will start the next important chapter, states of matter. Okay, students, goodbye, study well.